Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you guys a product that I love that's going to be a staple of mine. I've been using it for about a year and I love it so much, I just had to share. I found this product by accident. My husband, who doesn't care about skincare, was wandering around the aisles of Target because he had a breakout on his back and his face, and he just was like freaking out. So we went, and I was just trying to recommend some, and then we were wandering around, and we came across this product. He picked it up. He put it in the shower. He used it twice, and he was like, "Oh, I don't see it really doing anything for me." So he left it just there, and I started using it. So this is how we got here. So the product I'm talking about is the La Roche Posay um, purifying foaming cleanser. Yeah, this product has been amazing to my skin, and I don't know how, because for a really long time I've been using a lot of acne cleansers. Pretty much, yeah, products with a lot of acne products in them. And honestly, I can say that there was any that was like my favorite. Most of them were okay, but I don't think they really helped clear my skin. So I just was like really over it. So I just pretty much went down to like using, I think I had like a Cetaphil something, because I was like, you know what, let me keep it simple and just forget about all the other acne cleansers. I honestly didn't know what to start using. And so when I saw this in the shower just sitting there, because my hubby said it wasn't working for him, I picked it up and I started using it. And within the first week, I just noticed my skin changing. And I don't know how to say it, because this is not really an acne cleanser, but something is in this product that seems to help my skin just calm down. So as you guys can see, I'm about to run out and I'm going to get more. So it does come, when you pump it, it's like a clear, kind of sticky, and it foams. So the ingredients I can't even say. It has glycerin, propane, diol, sodium, blah, 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 blah. A lot of chemicals, pretty much. It is soap-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, ceramide-3, and niacinamide. So I'm thinking the niacinamide is what is really helping with my skin, because I have a product from Good Molecules that has niacinamide in it. I think that's really what's in this that's helping my skin. So it is for normal to oily skin. There's other ones that are for other types of skin. And it's supposed to cleanse and remove excess oil for sensitive skin. And so for something in this, really my skin seems to really like it a lot. It does have a very mild smell. But it's not, yeah, it's not a strong smell, and it doesn't bother me. It also says that there was an area that it said, oh, okay. Okay, so it says effectively cleans dirt, makeup impurities, removes excess oil while maintaining skin's natural moisture barrier and pH, leaving skin clean, fresh, comfortable with no pore clogging residue. So I think that's another thing that's helping with the acne part of it. But I did see something here that I read that I was going to tell you guys. Oh, it says prebiotic thermal water. So this, I'm not sure what that means. If you're a skincare person, I don't know what that means, but altogether, from 1 to 10, I would give this cleanser about an 8. It's been one of the best cleansers that I've used in my whole life, and I'm 41, and this is the first time I'm using a cleanser that I'm so excited about. So I came on here to share with you guys. Yeah. So it is a bit on the pricey side compared to what I used to buy. I used to buy like $10 product, $9, 7. So this was about, I think, like 15, almost $15.99 or so. So it is a bit pricey. You can get the smaller one to try it out. But baby, this product, yes, get it.